Look at this, Andrea. Love and Ivy Farms. This is one of my yearlings. This is Sweet Pea. She is pregnant, and I wanted to give y'all kind of a 101. This is First Freshener. She's got some burrs in her. So I put her up on my milking stand. So she's getting used to that. She has never been milked before. Want to give you this. Oh, I feel baby right here. There we go, sweetheart. I feel it. I think probably she's going to have one, which is just fine for me on a First Freshener. Okay? She's got the little teats. She's got the Kiko teats right now. But over time, that'll improve. You're okay, sweetheart. You're okay. Yeah. First time on the stand. Kind of petting her. Oh, I know. There you go. There you go. Shh, I'm putting her in. There you go. Touching her udder. And it's getting pretty tight. It's okay, baby. I just wanted to show you this. Ligaments. Ligaments. No ligaments. You see that? No ligaments. There you go. She's due here pretty soon. Yep. So she's going up in the net. Oh, I feel you, baby. I felt you. I'm just kind of a pretty big one. Oh, I know. I'm trying to get that burr out. I hate burrs. There we go. Anyway, she's going up with Lady Jade. There's baby right here. You can feel that. There you are. And quite possibly, she bred with my Kiko buck. So her babies should be fairly small. Yep. See that? I don't know if y'all can see that. There's baby right here. It's a baby right there. Hi, baby. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, she's due any day now. Ligaments go from here, and then they go like that. Well, from here, and then they go like that. And they just kind of go in like that, a large upside down V. And her ligaments are completely gone. Okay. Pause that. Alright, so sorry. Back. I'm putting her up with Marbles. Hey, Marbles. Because Marbles, hey girl, very sunk in here. I can still feel her ligaments just a little bit. It's doing good. So these two are going to keep each other company. And I've got to go check Lady Jade as well. So I'm thinking she's getting close. But as you see, I got a new tarp from my nanny house. And I got a better quality one than don't buy from Tractor Supply. This one, yes, I ordered it through Walmart. I ordered it through Walmart and they sent it to me. It is really, I don't know if you can hear this, really thick. Though the size was a little less than what I needed, it didn't come down. It only came down about here. So I still use the old one. You can hear that. Paper thin. That's what the old one was from. And that was supposed to be UV resistant from Tractor Supply. It is a piece of crap. Do not buy it. Okay? You hear that? You can hear the difference. But it's good enough to help the water run down the outside. And it was long enough to cover the back area. So, yep. These two ladies and Lady Jade are due. They're my first freshening. So, really excited to see what they give me. Yeah, and who milks well, huh? Yes, good girl. That's a good girl. Say hi, Sweet Pea. Hey, say hi, Marbles. Said, don't bother me, we're eating. Anyway, trying to make my videos, pause. Now, hold on a second. I'll show you my container garden real quick. Okay, real quick. Junebug wants to say hi, everybody. This is my Anatolian. Can you get up here? Can you get up here so everybody can see how tall you are? Come on, Junebug. You can do it. Come on, girl. She doesn't jump up. I didn't really actually train her that way. It's just the way she was. Hey, beautiful, beautiful June bug. She has been my predator. Yeah, she loves to kill possum, but she won't eat them. She loves groundhogs, and she'll eat those. Raccoon, she's kind of iffy on that. She had a small encounter with a coyote. Coyote lost, ran off, actually. So, here's my girl. Here's my girl. And Lady Jade is under here in the baby area. How'd you get your big butt underneath there, preggers? So, I'm going to see if I can reach underneath here and check her ligaments. She's one of my wild child. Yeah, her legs are gone. Your legs are gone. But I'm not pulling her out of there. That ain't gonna happen. Hey guys. Hey Sable. Hi Sable. Yeah. Hey baby girl. Just us. Okay. Off we go. Hi Moonshine. Just us. Hi S'mores. S'mores is pregnant. Her udder is starting to form. But she's got a little bit to go. Hi! Hi, Odin! Odin's for sale if anybody wants curious or interested. I got 3 more guineas. These 3 juvenile guineas. I haven't named them yet. My other 3 are named Gabby, Echo, and Pearl. So I haven't come up with these guys' names yet. Hey, June bug. There you go. You can come up here. Boom, yeah. 125 pounds of pure terror. Yeah, she watches the sky too. Freya, you can't come out. Yes. Okay. Alright. Let's come out and get. No, 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 no. Pooey. Don't do that. Alright. Okay. Quit encouraging them. I'll show y'all my container garden. I got everything cleaned up. Burned some wood. Added ash. And I'm sorry if it's like jerking all around. I do need to put a hook on here. Cats like going in here. I don't like cat poo in my bins. So I've been amending this here. I need to put some ash in that. And I used a little bit of that. And I need to cover this up. Make sure that's not what. I don't want that in there. Okay. Boom it. Get out of here. I'll throw dirt at you. Go on. So, I'm working on this here. Put some leaf and dry stuff. And I can put some of my goat poo in there. This came off. So, I'm trying to get this here to warm up. Because I'm going to start putting, I'm going to be putting this one and this one. I haven't decided. I kind of like it like that. So I'm thinking of putting them all like that. Or if it look, I don't know, y'all tell me what you think. So like that. And like that. And then like 2 more like that. Or just put them like that. Or put these 2 like that. So all of me, tell me what you think. And I got these little buckets over here too I got to work on. But getting close to planting time. I am going to be planting some arugula, some buttercrunch, little gem buttercrunch, and some romaine lettuce. Get those off. I've got some little bitty started inside. The reason why I'm trying to go through everything real quick is that my insurance approved. Well, of course they're going to approve it, but I've been doing CT scans, MRIs, extra x-rays, so I kind of glow in the dark now. No, that's not it. Got blood tests coming up on the 4th. And then on the 9th is the big S day. They are doing, they are kind of, I guess, I don't know, restructuring my lower back because my L4 and L5 are not connected, and my L4 has slipped over my L5, and you know, all that fun stuff that was causing me all that pain. Well, they're going to be doing the surgery on the 9th, and I guess it's going to be a long, hard road from there. So I'm trying to get all this stuff done before that happens, because I won't be probably posting anything for a while afterwards. But I just wanted to y'all see. I got my nanny house fixed. Getting ready to at least get some of my garden stuff in, and you know, all that stuff. So anyway, love y'all. You have a good one. Take care.